how exciting is this? I've just received my new kit from Stampin' Up, the Rustic Christmas Countdown Kit. It's in this box right here, which I haven't opened yet because I wanted to wait till I could do it for all of you. This is your kind of classic advent calendar or countdown calendar where you make a little treat for each day from the 1st to the 25th of December. This kit has everything you need to make the little pouches to put treats in. So let's have a look. So you get the little wooden clothesline pins so that you can hang these on string or on your tree, the Christmas tree. So everything else is in this pack here. Let's open it. So we've got dimensionals for adding the embellishments. We've got these wonderful little pouches that look like burlaps with that beautiful rustic look. And it's these pouches that we can put our little treats in. I'm pretty sure my family wants Cadbury favorites. I'd love to know in the comments what kind of treats you would put in. If you're religious, you might want to put in a scripture for each day along with the treat. You might want to put an object, an item, something you've made, chocolate, candy. But it has these beautiful little pouches. And then it's got the red and the natural twine to hang them with. These gorgeous little red sequins. Aren't they just beautiful? So they will be self-adhesive to embellish the pouches. There's a number for each day done on what look like little logs, and other numbers done on gold foil of different shapes and sizes. And that way you can mix up and not have exactly the same look for every pouch, but you can make all different looks. And then these are the embellishments that are included that you can mix up for different looks. So there's little leaves that pop out. There's little bows. Let's see what else there is. There's poinsettias. I love those flowers. There's more leaves and holly berries. There's these gorgeous little doilies, and there's little sticky dots to help stick the embellishments down when you don't want the height of the dimensional, when you don't want the foam, but you just want it to stick flat. Leaves and doilies, all sorts of beautiful little embellishments. And the best part is you can just do your own thing with them and use your own creativity, or with the kit you get instructions. So if you need some guidance, there are full instructions here for how to make all different looks. It shows you what you need for the four different looks. It shows you what you need for each of them, and it gives you the complete instructions for how to do them. This is a very cool kit. That's everything that comes with it, and all of the instructions to make the 25 pouches. I think this is going to be a really fun project, and I can't wait to come back and show you what I've made with them all. So here are the 4 designs. It took me about 10 minutes to make these 4, and that's doing it for the first time following instructions. So you can see how individual and beautiful they are, with 2 different backgrounds, 4 different types of numbers, and 4 different types of embellishments. They really are lovely. And then of course you've got the natural twine still in the pack. And what that's for, if I can get a bit of it off, is you can clip these onto it to hang. So that's to like hang from your tree or hang from hooks on the wall. So that's how you can hang your pieces. So even that's included. And then how these work is the clip just comes off and you can open it and there'll be a treat inside. Now a couple ideas for filling them that I've had is, chocolates or candy of some sort. I love Cadbury's favorites, but also this is perfectly sized for gift cards or for including something that you've written. So one of the things that I'm gonna do is for each of the 4 weeks, of the Advent season, on the 7th day of each week, I'm going to put a gift card in as a gift. And in the other 6 days, I'm going to put in some chocolates. So that by Christmas Day, or the 25th of December, they'll have had a bunch of chocolate and 4 really nice gift cards, and then maybe something a little extra special for the Christmas Day one. So it's also a great way to do a gift. So maybe $10 gift certificate to Starbucks or your favorite coffee shop during the week, and then a bigger gift certificate to a favorite store on Christmas Day. So, if you want to do the whole set as a gift for someone, that's a great way to kind of package their Christmas gift. The other thing is you can also put it all back in the box that it came in and then wrap the box. And then the whole thing is one big Christmas gift. So that's the Rustic countdown calendar. That's an example of them. This is a fabulous kit and I highly recommend it.